Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Easyship shipping rules for faster US checkout, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Easyship shipping rules for a faster US checkout, start by logging into your Easyship account. Once logged in, navigate to the shipping rules section in the dashboard. Click on the Create New Rule button to begin setting up a new shipping rule. Choose a name for your shipping rule that will help you easily identify it later. Decide on the conditions for this shipping rule based on your business needs. You can set conditions based on order value, weight, destination, or any specific product variants. After setting the conditions, specify the actions that should take place when these conditions are met. For instance, you can offer flat rate shipping or free shipping based on the defined criteria. If you have multiple shipping options, prioritize them according to your preference. Review the list of carriers supported by Easyship and select the ones that fit your shipping strategy. Make sure to configure any additional settings specific to the selected carriers. Next, set the rate types you want to display to your customers, such as real-time rates or flat rates. Once you have customized all the settings, click on Save Rule to apply your new shipping rule. The new rule will now be active and available during the checkout process. To test your shipping rule, place a test order on your website and check if the rule applies as expected. If adjustments are needed, return to the shipping rules section to edit the rule. Monitor the performance of your shipping rules regularly to ensure they meet your business goals. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up Easyship shipping rules for faster US checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.